Eh? You don't even know. Men, if you married any woman, first orientation for men, never you let your wife have a single friend. For what now? Why would you be married? Your wife will be hanging out with a single woman, a single mother. Does that even make any sense? Birds of the same feather fly together. Married women should hang out with married women. Single men should hang out with single women. Why would a single woman be hanging out with a married? Is there not something wrong there? So please let's see the stars. A and B will say no. Frank. I bet more leave Frank matter first. That one too. I don't want to use my time to talk about Frank. That one will marry grandmother, marry woman will reach your bonjour. Now they say we are not in the same class. I have a lot to talk about. Give me stars. Let's go, man. I don't want to talk about Frank. I hear he's talking a lot about me, but you know that's a low class nigga now. I don't know if you can respond. I mean, on the real, I don't want to respond to all these bitches making noise online, but at some point you have to let people hear your view. Now me a woman will come the rapport, come to say, oh, this woman talk this one. I don't have time for that. I'm too busy, man. All right, so please, I want to see my stars, man. If you are not giving me stars, give me an alert. No, your star. I don't need that kind of star. My star button is not showing. Okay. The star button is not showing. Okay, we'll take an exception for today. Now, the story begins. Like you already know, most of you already know, the star button is not working. You pay me, oh, cha. The star button is not working. Jesus. I forgot get 5,000 stars right now. Jesus Christ. How can the star button not be working? See problem. Oh yeah, Mr. Paul. Put your account number there. Mr. Paul, put your account number there. If you are watching me. Let me put the God Send Foundation account number. Why are you going? Me for the pendant. Why are you going? Look at a man like me. A man like me. You want to date me at 55, and you expect me to be your lover? Say lover. For what? You want to date a man like me? You are not bringing anything to the table. The small change you used to support our charity, you are telling us to come and bring it back. Make thunder fire your life. Mommy Liz TV, I see you. Thank you so much for your support. I have a lot to talk about. It's a working day. I have a lot to talk about. So first, I want to tell you guys how I met Prissy. How can a woman be married? God, Father Lord, forgive me if I have committed any sins. How can you be married? You lure me in. You lure me in. A married woman lured me in to be doing things that is against the will of God. Father Lord, forgive me. I didn't know she was still married. I did not know that she was still married. How am I supposed to know when she did not tell me? Anyway, this is all political. But let's take it one step at a time. So on this beautiful day, like I always do, I was actually in Manchester. I was in Manchester doing my thing, visiting family, having a good time. I was on my way to Nigeria. I always stop in UK. My phone rang. As my phone ring, I said, how far? Who be that? He said, oh, my name is, all this fake life. Oh, my name is Prissy. Oh, yeah, I'm the CEO of She's Beautiful. I said, okay. I dey get calls normal lifestyle. They get calls every day. Women they toast me every day, not be new thing. Women they toast me every day, not be new thing. I mean, look at me now. Look at me. Come on. Look at me now. Look at me. Look at me. So I received a call saying that humble yourself so that we lift you up. I want to humble rich. I never humble rich. Anyway, so I received a call, like, oh, this is Prissy. I said, oh, I've been out here now. Who be this one again? He said, oh, I've been trying to call you on Messenger. I said, okay, what's your name? I went to my Facebook and I saw that, like, more than 20 missed calls on my messages. I said, oh, what can I do for you? He said, oh, I run the business. Oh, my business is not really moving. I would like for you to come and do an advert on the business. I said, it's not free. I don't do free adverts. He said, oh, no problem. I got it. Just come over. I swear. I said, okay, no problem. How much are you going to pay me? We discussed. He said, you just confessed. On a good day, I went to the shop. When I got to the shop, there were some customers there. I couldn't do the adverts for the shop that day. He said, oh, no worries. Just do it tomorrow. Sleep in one hotel. I went to the hotel. Slept in the hotel. They treat me good. I still have some videos on my phone. They treat me good. Make me feel irate. And it was all good, right? Let me see if I can find some video for you guys. So they took me to an hotel. I slept in the hotel alone on this night. I slept on the hotel alone. Nice hotel, you know, all those ancient hotels, you know, gave me breakfast, everything was nice. The next day, we were supposed to do the job. Number one, when I went to the shop, I said, you know, let us see your record. The record shows that they only made about $100, $150 every day. I looked at the shop, the setup was not good enough. I said, okay, you know what? I can rebrand this shop. I am a global consultant. I am a global consultant. I get paid for what I do. I get paid to help people set up businesses. I get paid to rebrand businesses. I went there. The next day, he said, oh, I cooked some food at home. Why don't you come to my house? Come and see how beautiful my house is. Oh, I live alone with my daughter. Oh, yeah, you know, we have 4 rooms. I said, okay, no big deal. I go visit people all the time. It's not a big deal. I left my hotel. When I got to the house, they were like, oh, you know, we have 4. Why don't you just take 1 room? Take 1 room now. Just relax in 1 room. I looked at it. I said, relax in 1 room. Okay, it's no big deal. Let me chill out in the room. Now so I dey sleep all night. Now so I dey sleep all night. I mean, I dey sleep like madman. Now so I sleep. I dey even dey snore. As I dey snore like this, you know, say some kind dream what you go dey get. You dey get some kind dream. The next thing what I dey see something dey move. Something dey move. Dey move for my Ikea. What the fuck is this? I look. Move my head, to do like this. I said, stop. He said, no, Dion, just wait. I said, what the fuck? Make we not lie. At that point, I not feel resist myself. Nah, plaster one. Bah! I plaster him. I not go feel lie. But all those videos where they talk say, oh, it's just business relationship. I will say that kissy video not come out now. They will say na business relationship. I will say that kissy. You may kiss your brother. You may kiss your brother. I will say not come out now. Many of you go they say na so it be. How can you come out openly and lie? Because I refuse to give you what you want. How can you come out openly and lie to people? Since 2022, now this thing pass. Since 2022, no problem. They call everybody, say, Dion. I was single. I could do whatever I want to do. I had multiple girlfriends. Those of you who say, if you see woman. If you see my new girl, if you see my new baby, don't worry, I'm not worried yet. You say, I know if you see woman. So, long story short, that was gone. We started working on a project. I have so many projects that I did for her that I will bring out later. Did t-shirt, banner, set up the website for her, started loading items on the website. Their sales in just 2 months of working with Prissy, from $100, they started making close to $1,000. That was my effort. I was able to rebrand the shop from making $100 to close to $1,000. I did that. Yes, I plastered the rubbish. I mean, it wasn't so good. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, you don't expect a 55-year-old coochie to be as a 20-year-old coochie, right? I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I did. It wasn't so good. The smartest thing that came out of her mouth was Magbola, nothing more. But going forward, we started working together. to see how we can rebrand her. Before I know him, this babe don't go do office for me for this thing. Don't go buy desk, buy laptop, buy everything. So you just be staying here. This will be your office. This will be my office. I said, what did they play? You want to change them? This is not what I came for. You don't do office for me. If you know the building very well, go and verify. It's one floor, second floor. They do office for me. They go buy everything, put laptop there, do everything. Say, I can't believe. Say, what did they happen here? Before I know it, oh, where's your son? Oh, I want to be taking care of him. I'm going to bring him to UK. Okay, we'll bring. I said, you can't believe I said I lose myself. I can't look old every day. I can't see me today now. Every day I can't look old. And they look old. I said, man, what did they happen? But on one good day, now so I take get up. I said, hey, I revived myself. From the moment I revived myself, no problem take start to. From the moment I revived, I got my thinking, saying, what the fuck are you doing, Dion? You left a 21 years old, you were married to a 21 years old pastor daughter with fresh backyard, everything. Then you want to go and be with a 55 years old, third time married woman. And this time she was still married. Please, if you know the husband, tell him to forgive me. I did not know. How can you be married and you are over there looking for young boys to deceive? Maybe she have thought, oh, I don't see better guy. Not be a better guy, now better goo. Young boy. Not be only better guy. You move around. You not see the kind of man where you need. You can't say na me, Dr. Kado. I'm not asking any question. Don't ask me any question. So long story short, I don't want to start mentioning other things that happened, that transpired. When her sister did the wedding in one of those Europe countries, I was the one that set up her for the tree. Even the Lord that is chatting today, that is thinking that, oh, you know this girl before reunion. Lolo, it was me that planned your trip to God sent reunion. Me. You did not have money for tickets. We bought your tickets. We paid for the hotel. Odogu, I have a message for you. What happened on that day? Ask your wife who took her to the airport, the early morning flight. What happened that night she went to the airport? The episode is too long. The episode is too long. Look, if you are a single woman out there and you are over 50 and you don't have a man, you are not married, and you have a lot of money, please call me. I need a helper. If you are a single woman out there, please, and you are not married, I need a helper. Come and help me. So you expect me to be dating a 55 years old woman that Bob Risky even look better than. You be with a woman, you be like you do with man. You do with man. Breast be like this. Nyash be like one time, be like man. Bone be like this thing. Even Bob Risky is more prettier. You want me to deal with woman? Say then the woman, I know, you know what they help me build my dream. That one makes sense. If I be your brother, I be your brother. Let's keep sentiment aside. Say I be your brother now. Then I'll come tell you, say, oh, meet my girl. You know what tear me slap? You know what tear me slap? Say me tell you the Chris. When 22, 23 years old, 25 years old, Nedunwanko, they, 70 years old, Regina, they 20 something. Then I don't travel the whole world. I'll say, now that one, I won't go deal with. Let's be sincere. Let's call a spade a spade. Let's call a spade a spade. So moving forward, that was how that, and when I started seeing how she was acting, how she talked down. Do you know that this same woman, the baby daddy, lives in Atlanta? The way this woman, they talked about her ex, give me the picture of the kind of woman. Which I was never with her, don't get me wrong. She was just a woman I had a thing with on the side. I was not in a relationship with her. The way she talk about this guy, do you know that the daughter never talked to her papa for 5 years? I was trying to make a mail. I said, you know what, call this guy. He doesn't, now me they use on the preach, say, look, mothers, not be they use relationship of your daughter and father till they come between them. If those you know they get along with the man, you still try to make the man they reach. Now maybe they try. Till today, that little girl Chanel never talked to a papa for 5 years. Go and verify. I try to make amends. Even the last husband wey he marry, wey he use juju, na juju dey tell that man, I don't know his name. Juju na dey tell the man. I saw a picture of the man in one of the rooms. They use red this thing, tie the thing, put up on one corner of the room. I look am, I say, eh? My brother, go and meet a prophet if you are hearing me now. I'm talking about the last one wey just happen, the last S. Where they heard that voice about 3 months ago or 4 months ago. Go and see a pastor. I'm telling you the truth. Lolekia na episode, na I tell you na episode, we know if you give all the story too long. Now 5 episodes I want to do. We'll talk about Odugu, we'll talk about Lolekia, we'll talk about Gosen Reunion, we'll talk about Abato Baze. Do you know that Abat, I heard a story for you. Do you know that it was this woman you're fighting for? It was this same woman that drove me to Leeds police station. I still have the record. I have a case against you at the Leeds police station, Abat. She told me that she was going to pay to make sure that you won't finish. That was when you were saying, when you did the video, say, Genocide, I fight her for 4 years. There's a case against you at Leeds police station, Abat. This woman was the one that gingered me to go and do a case against you. But when I made the case against Abat, I looked at it. I said, look, anything you do abroad, they're going to put it on your record. If I start to drag my brother Abat, how will it benefit me? How will it benefit me for Abat to have a record in UK? Maybe in the future, when he wants to start applying for a citizenship, they're going to pull out his record and see that all these records are there. It's going to affect you. Even a driving record is going to affect you abroad. But I look at it and say, you know what? I am an Edo man. What the Oba of Benin wants us to do is to be progressive in Edo. I will not pursue this case. If you see the post I did there, they tried to call me, they were calling me, sending me, I ignored. This same woman was the woman that pushed me to do that. Because if I wanted to do that, all these years Abat have been ranting, I could have done that, but I did not. This woman, since I stopped paying her mind, you know what she did? All the people that were working for me, she made friends with them. The people that were fighting me, she made friends with them. My errand boy, who worked for me, she gave the errand boy a job, rented a house for the boy. Maybe she's packaging the boy for herself. I don't know, because I was told that she loved young guys. I was told that she loved young guys. She gave the errand boy a job and started to sponsor the errand boy to come online to start insulting me, insulting my non-profit, insulting members of my foundation. Then I had to get the young boy arrested. I arrested the young boy. They took him to court. It was the Edo State government chief security officer that called. Maybe he had a link with Abat that called to bail him. We have a court coming up this month. I think October 29 is the next court date. But I'm looking at it. They went again to try to get him. They did not see him. They arrested the dad. The dad has to sell his keke napep. How does that make me feel? Knowing that a person that doesn't deserve it has to suffer for the crime of his son. It doesn't make me feel good. The dad live over there in Second West in a 1-bedroom apartment. What kind of case am I going to do with that kind of a man that cannot do anything for me? What kind of case can I do with my errand boy, somebody that I picked from the street to be watching over Osamu Diame, to be driving Osamu Diame, to be buying me food, to even go sometime and buy me some condoms when I want to have sex? So what kind of case can I do with that? So they picked up his dad. The dad had to sell a shorty, sold his keke nape, and look at all this mess the young man put his dad. Is it worth it? So this lady was able to buy my errand boy to start talking down on us. This lady has been the one sponsoring my errand boy. The records are there. Before now, this same lady was not friends with Abatabaze. Like I said, she was the one who took me to Leeds to write a case against Herbert. Immediately I stopped talking to this woman. This same woman now become friends with Abatabaze, goes to his show. I even heard that Brain Jotta, one of the show they went, the guy even went to his house. Who knows what that one do there? Brain Jotta that did a show in Leeds went to this woman's house. So this woman had made friends with the people that I was against just to get back at me. She started supporting a non-profit organization in Edo State, start posting them, showing them, just to say, oh, I'm not supporting you again, or I'm supporting somebody better. But I didn't give it them, because soldier go, soldier come. She did not even stop there. She even went further. Manipulated Osamu Diame, our God-sent boy. This same woman, please, guys, use my life as a lesson. Use my life as a lesson. Everything that happens to me in life should be used as a lesson. So this same woman, because when the going was good, when the thing is sweet, you know, Osamu Diame is my boy. I mean, I want him to benefit from anybody I'm connected with. I say, you know, Osamu Diame, you know, talk to her. Oh, where's your boy? I want to check on you. Say, oh, check on somebody, blah, blah, blah. So after all this, when I went to the US, before I went to the US, I said, you know what? Osamu Diame is in Benin, and I'm going to be in the US for at least a year, just to clear my head, because a lot of shit was going on. I said, Osamu Diame, you're going to move to Lagos. Osamu Diame loved it. The reason I'm moving Osamu Diame to Lagos, Osamu Diame's dream is to play soccer. And I contacted the Word of Faith school where Osamu Diame was going to school. I contacted Word of Faith. Word of Faith does not have any plans for soccer team. I went ahead and registered Osamu Diame at Pepsi Football Club in Benin City. But even at the registration, they will never let Osamu Diame leave school to go and practice. And the only way I could do that was to bring him to Lagos to attend one of the best government schools in Lagos. Lagos State Modern School in Ekpe. Go and verify what it takes to enter that school. That is the school Fashola graduated from. That is the school Ambode graduated from. I put Osamu Diame in that school, and also find a guardian who is more like my father to take care of Osamu Diame when he's not in boarding school. The family of Osamu Diame was saying, the man is a retired colonel. Are you with me? The man Osamu Diame was staying with is a retired colonel in the army. The wife studied in UK. They have 3 children who are doing excellent. They have 3 children. I said, you know what, Osamu Diame will be a good person here. Let's put him in school. When he's not in school, he's going to stay with his family. But this lady was chatting with Osamu Diame, used my errand boy to deceive Osamu Diame, for Osamu Diame to run away from home. When Osamu Diame ran away from home, I did not do anything about it. I said, okay, I don't try my best. And that was just about almost a year ago. It's not even up to a year. So when she saw that, even with all the drama with Osamu Diame, I did not say anything. I was looking, because at the end of the day, I have done my best. The whole world knows I have done my best. Osamu Diame is now calling her mommy. Osamu Diame that we picked her from the street in 2017 started Word of Faith in 2018, and I met this lady, 2022, that is now lying today that she was the one paying Osamu Diame's school fees from day one. Say I was paying his school fees. How? I don't know if you exist in 2022. I've never met you before. Osamu Diame have been under a God-sent family care. It was a God-sent way forward group that always took care of Osamu Diame. There was no complaint. The only thing I did for Osamu Diame was buy him food, buy him clothes, make sure his hygiene is okay. But the school fees was taken care of by a God-sent way forward group. May God bless those groups. Edo Blog TV. Did you collect our money? Hell fucking no. Hell no. The answer is no. And so some of you who are so small-minded, somebody will tell you that they collect 100 million. Do you know what's 100 million? Do you know what's 100 million? You think 100 million is just 10 million? Every support, every money received from this lady was for a God-sent foundation, a God-sent widows, a God-sent project. If she said that I did business with her, let her come and prove it. By tomorrow, I'm doing a letter for her, from my lawyer, to come and prove it. You can't just make a false allegation all because of politics. This is all political-based blackmail. For 2 years now, you did not come out to tell us that this guy took my money. But because they collaborated with Abat Obaze, because they saw the crowd, that the massive crowd that I pulled for our incoming governor, Mode Okpevolo, the massive crowd in Ego, we want Ego. When they saw the massive crowd, they were intimidated. They started thinking, what can I do now? What can we say now to blackmail this boy, to make him look bad in the eyes of this governor? It not go work because we don't already know in our formats. That was what Abat Obaze and his team did during Obaseki. They knew that Obaseki would have given me a good potential, possibly to make Edo better. They started spelling my name in front of the governor. Hey, no. But Edo people are wise now. Before Obaseki became a governor, I was already the founder, the president of a God-sent foundation. Before Obaseki became a governor, I was already the founder and the president of the foundation. When Oshomole was in power, that was when I started God-sent foundation in Edo State. Oshomole is gone. Obaseki is gone. Okpevolo is coming, and we are still here. So who won? The Abbas that said that, look, Dinosage will chase him up for Edo State. Where are you today, bro? Where are you today? The Abbas that said you want to chase us out of Edo State. We are in Nigeria. Where are you? You see, this is karma. This is karma. You that said that the God-sent foundation must stop. Even yesterday, on Friday, we did a broadcast. Where are you? Because you guys saw that I campaigned for my governor. We won our local government. Because you saw that this government is going to favor me. You all want to spoil my name. So that they can say, oh, this person is bad and lie. They work. Because at the end of the day, you have done it to the deputy governor. Our incoming deputy governor, Denko. You have done it to the social media presidents. You have done it to Bob Izwa. You have done it to Captain Osa. They have done it to everybody. So the whole world is already aware. The format the PDP are trying to use to blackmail me is not going to work. If I owe you money, you don't get money on social media. You can take me to court. And I mean, thank God for today, I have passed the stage whereby police will just come and arrest me. You will just come and say, hey, you're under arrest. Somebody say you take their money. The police is mad. When somebody say you take their money, you have to show proof now. It's a civil case. You have to show proof that this person truly will take my money. Then they will not come and say, oh, what inspired? How did this money? Then I'll say, oh, this is what happened. This is what happened. If I'm guilty, I'll tell them, look, I'll pay 100,000 every month for the next 20, 30, 40 years. But now on social media, this is a format to blackmail me, and it's not going to work. How can an old woman at 55 be looking for young men to sleep with? I'm the one that's supposed to be demanding money now. They make me dry. They make me dry every night. Now, what did they happen? What did they happen now, Juju? So you think that you're going to come online to tell people, oh, Dion, oh, Dion, you took my money. God will not forget you. Then people, I will start saying, hey, no. We had sex. And it was not a good sex.